children. Today we are going to start Unit 4 Human Resource Management. Chapter 9 Fundamentals of Human Resource Management. In this video we are going to discuss meaning and definition of human resource, characteristics of human resource, significance of human resource, meaning and definition of human resource management, features of human resource management, significance of human resource management, functions of human resource management. Introduction. The human resource is the most important element in any organization. The success, growth and development of organization depends on quality of workforce they possess. It is only through the human resource all other resources are actively utilized, leading to the efficient and effective running of an establishment. Meaning of human resource. Not all human beings are considered to be human resource, but only those individuals who acquired the required skill sets, talents, knowledge, competences, and capabilities in the accomplishment of both individual and organizational objective. Definition. According to Peter F. Drucker, man of all resources available to him can grow and develop. In the word of Leon C. Magnuson, human resource refers to the total knowledge, skill, creative abilities, talents and aptitudes of an organization workforce, as well as the values, attitude and beliefs of individual involved. Characteristics of human resource. Human resource is the only factor of production that lives. Human resource created all other resources. It is only the labor of employees that is hired and not the employee himself. Human resource exhibits innovation and creativity. Human resource alone can think, act, analyze and interrupt. Human resource are emotional beings. Human resource can be motivated either financially or non-financially. The behavior of human resource are unpredictable. Over years, human resource gain value and appreciates. Human resource are movable. Human resource can work as a team. Meaning and definition of HRM. Human resource management is a function of management concerned with hiring, motivating and maintaining people in an organization. It focuses on people in an organization. According to Delhi Order, human resource management as the effective process of planning and directing the application, development and utilization of human resource in employment. Features of HRM. Universally relevant. Human resource management has universal relevance. The approach and style varies depending the nature of organization structure and is applicable at all levels. Goal oriented. The accomplishment of organizational goal is made possible through best utilization of human resource in an organization. A systematic approach. Human resource management lays emphasis on a systematic approach in managing the task performed by human resource of an organization. The two sets of function performed are managerial and operative function. It is all pervasive. Pervasive means spreading through all part. Whenever there is existence of human resource, the effective management of the available human resource is very important, especially in functional areas. It is a continuous process. As long as there is human resource in the running of an organization, the activities relating to meaning human resource exist. It is a dynamic activity. Human resource management is not the same as that of other factor of production, as they have feelings and emotions which are not to be handled with care and diligence to maximize its utilization. It is an interactive tool. The main idea behind manage the human resource is to motivate, participate and coordinate the available workforce. Focus on development. Human resource management focus on the development of manpower through training and development programs. Honing of skills through training increase the effective use of the resource procured. Human resource management is both science as well as art, as it relies on experiment and observation as well as effective handling of manpower. It is both science and art. It is interdisciplinary. Human resource management makes use of concept of different disciplines like sociology, psychology, economics, etc., making it interdisciplinary. It is intangible. Human resource management is an intangible function which can be measured only by result. Significance of human resource management. Manpower needs, change, ensure requirement, right man, right job, updation, appraisal, competitive advantage, incentive and bonus, employment commitment, employee attitude, collective. We'll discuss one by one. To identify manpower needs. Determination of manpower needs is an organization is very important as it is a form of investment. The number of men required are to be identified accurately to optimize the cost. To incorporate change. Change is constant in any organization and this change has to be introduced in such a way that the human resource management act as an agent to make the change effective. To ensure the correct requirement of manpower. At any time, the organization should not suffer from shortage or surplus manpower which is made possible through human resource management. To select right man for right job. Human resource management ensure the right talent available for the right job so that no employee is either underqualified or overqualified. To update the skill and knowledge. Managing human resource plays a significant role in the process of employee skill and knowledge enhancement to enable the employee to remain up to date through training and development programs. To appraise the performance of employee. Periodical appraisal of performance of employees through human resource management activities boost up good performance and motivates slow performance. It helps the workforce to identify their level of performance. To improve competitive advantages. Organization with capable and competent employee can truly gain competitive advantage in the globalized market to provide incentives and bonus to best performers. It is the role of human resource management to recognize the best performers and to provide them with bonus and incentives as a form of appreciation for their work. This motivation can be either financial or non-financial. To determine employee commitment, human resource management determines the level of commitment of employees to their work either through interview or questionnaires. To emphasize socialization, human beings are social animals and they should be ensured that they are comfortable in the workplace by maintaining cardinal relationship with peers, subordinates and managers so as to contribute maximum to the organization. To promote favorable employee attitude, organizations are expected to provide a good work environment to secure favorable employee attitude towards the management. This can be accomplished through conflict resolution, counseling, grievance, reprisal, etc. To provide scope for collective bargaining, human resource management encourage workforce to form a union, represent their grievances and find early solution for their problems by collective representation. Functions of human resource management. The functions of human resource management may be classified into two. One is managerial function, another one is operative function. In managerial function, planning, organizing, directing, controlling will be there. Operative function, procurement, development, compensation, retention, integration, maintenance. Now we'll start with that managerial function. Planning. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do and who is to do it. It bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to go. It helps in the systematic operation of business. Organizing. It includes division of work among employees by assigning each employee their duties, delegation of authority as required and certain of accountability to make employee responsible. Directing. It involves issue of order and instructions along with supervision, guidance and motivation to get the best out of employees. This reduces waste of time, energy and money and early attainment of organizational objective. Controlling. It is comparing the actuals with the standard and to check whether activities are going on as per plan and rectify deviations. Operating functions. Procurement. Acquisition deals with the job analysis, human resource planning, recruitment, selection, placement, transfer and promotion. Development. Development include performance appraisal, training, executive development, career planning and development, organizational development. Compensation. It deals with the job evaluation, wage and salary, administration, incentive, bonus, fringe benefits and social security schemes. Retention. This is made possible through health and safety, welfare, social security, job satisfaction and quality of work life. Integration. It is considered with those activities that aim to bring about reconciliation between personal interest and organizational interest. Maintenance. This encourages employee to work with job satisfaction, reducing labor turnover, accounting for human resource and carrying out audit and research. Thank you, children. In this video, we discussed meaning and definition of human resource, characteristics of human resource, significance of human resource, meaning and definition of human resource, futures of human resource management, significance of human resource management, functions of human resource management. Have a nice day. Don't forget, you must learn all the relevant question answer.